I want to clarify this problem 13 with the construction worker and teacher salaries. Each section of this box plot represents 25%. The question is asking about the construction worker that makes the median amount, which is represented by this, right? Remember, the median is where 50% of your data is above and 50% of your data is below this mark. So this part is 25%. This part from this line right here to this line right here is also 25%. So this is our 50% mark. This is our median. It's at $40,000. And then this is 25%, and so is this. So 50% of the data is below this, and 50% of the data for the construction worker population is above it. For the teacher population, the box plot's a little different, but this is still 25% right here. And this is still 25%, and this is the median salary for teachers. This is the third quartile salary for teachers. So this from here all the way back over here represents 75% of the teacher population and their salaries. So we can say something like 75% of teachers earn less than $40,000. This problem is asking us to make a comparison between the construction worker who earns the median and the teacher who earns the third quartile. And notice how they're both the same. They both make $40,000, right? But 50% of construction workers, this 50%, make more than $40,000. And 75% of teachers make more than $40,000. So if we're comparing the construction worker who earns the median, you can say that, well, the construction worker who earns a median salary is earning more than 75% of the teachers. So if there was a construction worker here, this person would earn $40,000, and they would earn more than 75% of all teachers, which is represented by this part of the box plot over here. All right, hope that clears it up a little bit. Thanks.